Hey Dami, how's it going?
Hey Sam, how's it going, man?
Yeah, it's been good. I haven't seen you since last
It's
Christmas.
been a while, buddy.
It has been. But I have a question for you.
Sure.
Being the smart guy that you are,
I try.
like someone told me that, if you leave your charger,
Mm-hmm.
like phone chargers or any chargers, as a matter of fact, if you just leave it in the wall, I heard that it's gonna run up the electricity bill. I was wondering if that's really true.
Now, I could give you the answer to that,
Okay.
but we do have a WT310 power meter,
Okay.
so why don't we test it ourselves?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So just to give you a little background on how this experiment is going to run, we're going to be using our Yokogawa WT310 power meter to integrate for 1 minute, and then we're going to take that value and plug it into this formula. Now, keep in mind that 12 cents is the average cost of energy in the United States per kilowatt hour. So let's start off by looking at our cell phone.
Okay, let's look at the phone charger first. So without the device plugged in, it looks like it consumed 0.2322 milliwatt hour in a minute, and the cost of electricity for the whole month is 0.12 cents. And with the device plugged in, it's 124.71 milliwatt hour for a minute, and after plugging into the formula, it's 0.64 cents per month. Actually, Dami, I have another question for you.
Sure, Sam.
So what is the reason to use this particular power meter?
Good question, Sang. So the reason we're using the Yokogawa WT310 power meter is because this actual power meter is used a lot for standby power testing. It has the ability to measure really low currents, and since we are measuring charges and things of that nature, we're going to need to measure low current, right?
Right.
So this would be the ideal instrument for that. So now let's take a look at the tablet. For the tablet, we got 0.8736 milliwatt hours. So with that number plugged into the formula, the cost is about 0.45 cents per month. And keep in mind, this is without the device being plugged in. Now, with the device being plugged in, we get about 225.19 milliwatt hours. Again, we plug this into the formula, and our cost comes to about $1.17 per month.
Okay. Now let's look at the laptop charger without the device. It was 0.7202 milliwatt hour, and the cost is 0.37 cents for the month. Now with the device plugged in, it's 1.6155 watt hour, and with the formula, I get $8.37 for the whole month. That was quite an interesting test, Dami.
Yes, it was, my friend.
It looks like idle chargers are not consuming much energy at all.
I wouldn't quite look at it like that, saying you have to look at it on a grander scale of things,
Okay.
on a larger scale, my friend.
All right,
Are you ready for some math?
I'm ready.
Let's do some math.
Hit me up.
We have about 300 million people in the United States of America.
Okay.
Of those 300 million, we have about 4 people to each household, correct?
Yeah, I believe that.
So that makes about 80 million homes,
Right.
right? So let's say in these 80 million homes, we have about 4 cell phone chargers.
Okay.
Let's say we have 2 tablet chargers.
Mm-hmm.
And let's say we have 2 laptop chargers.
Okay.
You following me so far?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. So now, if we do the math, right, we add all the numbers up, multiply everything, we're looking at about $1.7 million a month.
1.7 million?
1.7 million. Now, when you extend that to a whole year, you're looking at about $20 million a year, just because people leave their devices plugged into the wall.
$20 million
$20 million a year
for the year?
for the year.
Wow.
So the message, people, is unplug your devices,
Save USA,
save the world.
one device at a time.